Hello students, welcome our online class once again. And we last class we find here some questions of on circles, its circumference and its areas. And also we find here today some problem of on base of circles also. And we take your today's questions. Is first question we take here is this. So our first question is this from exercise 15.1 question number 6. The circumference of circle is equal to parameter of square if area of square is 484 square meter, then find the area of circle. This is our question. In this question is given the circumference of a circle. That means एक circle का circumference is equal to parameter of a square. That means स्क्वायर के पैरामीटर के इक्वल है. दैट मीन्स दोनों का सर्कमफ्रेंस या पैरामीटर, इसको सर्किल के सर्कमफ्रेंस को भी हम पैरामीटर बोल सकते हैं. तो दैट मीन्स दोनों का पैरामीटर क्या है, इक्वल है. एंड आल्सो इन गिवन दिस क्वेश्चन इफ एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर इज 484, दैट मीन्स इसमें किसका एरिया दिया है, स्क्वायर का एरिया दिया. दैट मीन्स फर्स्टली हम फाइंड करेंगे इसके अंदर स्क्वायर की साइड एंड देन फाइंड करेंगे उसका पैरामीटर. वहां से उस पैरामीटर को इक्वल रखेंगे सर्किल के सर्कमफ्रेंस के और वहां से आर फाइंड करेंगे और उस आर से हम एरिया फाइंड करेंगे. सो दिस प्रोसेस वी यूज हियर. लेट साइड ऑफ ए स्क्वायर is equal to x and be area of a square. X square, because the area of square is side multiplied by side. Now put here x square is equal to, in this question is given a area of a square is 484 square meter. That means we find here x is equal to this from in square root, and we know that 484 the square root is 22. So 22 is area in meter, so this also in meter. This we find here the side of a square. Now we find here square parameter. Now square parameter we find here. Square parameter. Square parameter is equal to, you know that 4 multiply side. So this from 4 multiply x is equal to 4x. And we find here the value of x is 22. So write here 4 multiply 22 is equal to 88 meter. Now according to question, in this question given here, the circumference of a circle is equal to parameter of a square. That means दोनों का क्या इक्वल है, उसका पैरामीटर एंड सर्किल का पैरामीटर. Because we call here circumference and process. A circle circumference is equal to square parameter, and a circle circumference is 2 pi r. Also you let radius of circle is r, and 2 pi r is equal to this from 88, and we find here r is equal to 88 upon a 2 pi. Now we find here the value of r, 88, 2 multiply 22 is 7 going upside, and r is equal to this from 4 multiply 7 upon 2, and this from 14 meter. That means 14 meter is the radius of a circle, because the equal both of a parameter. So we put the value of a circumference is equal to square parameter, find the radius. Now we find in your question also find the area of circle. That means need for area of circle of radius, and we find here from this question is radius is a 14 meter. So the area of a circle is equal to pi r square, and we put the value of r is 14. So cut by this 14 by 7, 22 multiply 2 multiply 14, that means 44 multiply 14, this from 616 square meter. Also you write here meter square. So area of a circle is 616 square meter, and we find also in this question area of circle. हमें find भी यही करना था. So firstly I repeat again this question from starting point. Firstly you understanding of the question, that means the circumference of a circle is equal to parameter of a square. That एक सर्किल का circumference स्क्वायर के पैरामीटर के इक्वल है. That means also in this question square area also given. So we find here from the area of square of side of square, and let the side of arcs, and this from area of square is side square, and x square is put the value of area of square, and area of a 484 square meter, and we find here from this from a x value is 22 meter. Then square parameter also, and with this from formula, this and b arcs value put here. So this from a parameter of a square, and according to question, the square parameter is equal to circle circumference. So circle circumference is equal to parameter of a square, and circle circumference is 2 pi r is equal to 88, and there we find here a value of a and is equal to 14 meter. Find circle need for area of find here circle for r, and the r is 14 meter. So put the value of r in formula of area of circle and find the value of a area of circle is 660 square meter. This of a area of circle. Okay. Now we second question in our exercise of question number 7 we take here. Seven. The cost of finishing a circular field at their at the rate $24 per meter is five to add 0 and rate of plowing is 0.50 square meter. Find the cost of plowing the field. This is our question number 7 from our exercise. In this question, the cost of finishing of a circle field at the rate of 24 rupees per meter is, that means it cost 5,280, and the rate of plowing is 0.50 square meter. Find the cost of plowing the field. That means you understanding here the question means, firstly in this question, this from a use of a circumference of the circular field and the per meter, that means this from unit of per meter in circumference, because the in unit of area is meter square, so this will be used in a of circumference. So we find here the from the firstly circumference, and from the circumference find the radius of a circle, and then find the area of a field, and this from the per square meter rate, also count of a cost. Okay. So firstly we find here parameter of a this, that means cost of finishing a circular field rate 24 rupees per meter is 5280. So we find here radius. Radius of a circular field, and this from the total cost divided by rate. And this is circumference of a circle. So let the radius of a circular field is r, circumference of circular field is equal to total cost upon rate, and this from rate of a 580 divided by 24, and this from a 220 meter, because this unit of a in meter, and we know 2 pi r is equal to 220 meter. So we find here from this to r is equal to 220 upon 2 pi. R is equal to 220 multiply 7 to multiply 22. This from cut by simplify here. And this from 70 divided by 2 is 35 meter. So find here we are, r is 35 meter. Now according to question, find here area, because the flowing of square meter field, circular field is 0 square meter. So we firstly find here circular field of area. So area of a circular field is equal to pi r square, and r value is 35. So this value put here 22 upon 7 multiply 35 multiply 35, and this from 22 multiply 5 multiply 35, and this from 3850 square meter. So 5 and this side 35. So square say 300 square meter. Now employing the cost of a find the cost of flowing of a circular field. That means find of a flowing a circular field, and the rate of a this flowing of a circular field is 0.5. Cost of a flowing of a circular field, and the circular field is rate 0.5 square meter. The area of a circular field is 3850 square meter. So total cost of a flowing is equal to 3850 multiply 0.5, and this from is equal to 1925 rupees. Also you write this from so cost of a flowing the field is a okay. So I repeat again this question. In this question given here, circumference of the rate of a circular field of a finishing cost of a circular field of the rate, and this from the rate of per meter square. So we divide the total cost of a by rate. So find here the circumference of a circular field, and this from come here. This come here and this is circumference of field, and according from this we find the radius of circular field. Radius of circular field is 30, and now we help of the radius and the circular field is area. Now we flowing cost per square meter, we multiply by this area of a rate of flowing a circular field, and this from we multiply by area, and the cost of 1005 is of a circular field of flowing. Okay, this we will find here, and this of a, and in this question exercise some question I have. I hope you solve at home these questions. Also want your notebook. So meet in next class with problem. Thank you.